Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most important Excel tricks that can completely transform how you work with messy data. How to unpivot data in Excel. If you've ever received a spreadsheet that looks nice but refuses to cooperate in analysis, this video is for you. What does unpivot mean? Unpivoting means taking a wide table, where months, years, or categories sit across columns, and converting it into a long, tidy table. Why is that useful? Because pivot tables, charts, data models, and even Power BI all expect data in a tidy format. One row, one record. This is a typical report exported from many systems. Looks simple, but it's awful for analysis. There are two methods for Unpivoting in Excel. I want to show you both, so I'll first copy the sheet. The fastest and cleanest way to unpivot data is using Power Query. On Data tab, in Get and Transform Data, I use from Table Range button. I check the data range, and also if I have the first row with column names. The Power Query Editor opens. Now I select the column that I don't want to unpivot. On the Transform tab, in the Any Column group, in the Unpivot Columns command, I select the Unpivot Other Columns command. Great, done. I'll rename the columns if necessary. On the Home tab, I select the Close and Load command. Excel will place the freshly unpivoted table in a new sheet ready for PivotTables, dashboards, or further transformations. And just like that, Excel has transformed your wide columns into tidy, usable rows. By using a long format table, you can, for example, filter by city, year, or population, easily build pivot tables, join data to other tables, automate updates, build cleaner and dynamic dashboards. Unpivoting is basically the foundation for all good data modeling. How to unpivot data without Power Query. If you have Excel that doesn't include Power Query, use a different technique. First, in the Customize Quick Access Toolbar command, I select More Commands. I choose Commands from the All Commands, and I select the Pivot Table and Pivot Chart Wizard command. I click the Add button to add it to the right section. Now I use the command from the Quick Access toolbar. I select multiple consolidation ranges. In Step 2, I will create the page fields. I select the data range. And don't forget to add. Placing on a new worksheet. A pivot table is created that looks almost identical to the original table. In the pivot table, I set it to Grand Total and select the Show Details command. A long format table is created on a new sheet. I rename the column names again, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix messy reports, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Excel tutorials.